Hi, I'm Bob Loeffler with Fearless Agent Coaching and Training, and I wanted to talk about technology. How many of you have noticed that there is more technology available to we realtors than ever before in American history? Have you noticed that? How many of you have noticed that realtors are earning fewer dollars per hour today than ever before in American history? See, if technology is the answer, the question must be, how do I earn the lowest dollars per hour? But that's not the question. The question is, how do I earn the highest dollars per hour? Technology is a thing. It's an app, it's a website, it's a clicker, it's a saw, it's a hammer. It's not a skill. If you want to dramatically increase the dollars per hour that you're earning, you have to fix three things. It's skills that you currently don't have, that if you did, you'd be earning way more dollars per hour. It's a schedule that you're not sticking to, that if you were, you'd be earning way more dollars per hour and your life would be more sane. It's some systems that if you had them in place, you'd be earning way more dollars per hour and your life would be a lot easier. So we coach you on three things: skills, schedule, systems. So if you'd like a free complimentary coaching call, call us up. If you'd like to try one of our free teleseminars, take a little test drive, do that. But please help me help you become a fearless agent. Thanks.